Hello guys, if you want to keep your PC in good health, then you need to monitor the system resources. Since we know do lots of stuff with our Windows computer, monitoring system resources becomes an important thing. In fact, knowing the peak of your computer's capabilities and limitations can be a lifesaver in several situations. So guys, if you want to utilize your computer at its full potential without damaging or overheating it, then you need to monitor CPU temperature as well. So in this video, we are going to share a list of best CPU's temperature monitor software for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. It's worth to note that there are plenty of CPU temperature monitoring tools available for Windows PC, but not all of them work. So in this video, we have listed the tool which work and worth your attention. Before starting our video, if you are new on channel, please subscribe my channel Techlogic Tariq and press bell icon. Number 10 is ASUS A1 Suite. If you are using an ASUS computer or laptop, then ASUS A1 Suite might be the best pick for you. With ASUS A1 Suite, you can easily check your CPU temperature in real time. Basically, the ASUS A1 Suite is meant to underclock and overclock the CPU. Apart from that, the ASUS A1 Suite can also be used to optimize the CPU setting to provide the best performance. As well, number is 9, AIDA64. AIDA64 is a premium software on the list which has lots of advanced features. Well, AIDA64 does not analyze every part of your computer, nor it shows an extremely detailed report. However, it shows the most relevant details that were required for proper system monitoring. With AIDA64, you can quickly check the temperature of your PC, motherboard, CPU, PCH, GPU, SSD. Compared to all other tools, the reports of AIDA64 is easy to understand. Well, number 8 is Game Assistant 2 software. Well, Game Assistant 2 is a software meant to promote better gaming experience. The software reports about the RAM usage, the current temperature of CPU, fan speed. So Game Assistant 2 shows all the information that need to keep an eye on your system and monitor the level of exhaustion you are putting on your computer. Then number 7 is HW Info is one of the best free professional system monitoring and diagnostic tool available out there. The software is known for the comprehensive hardware analysis, monitoring and reporting for Windows and DOS. HW Info software shows everything including your CPU information, GPU information, current speed, voltage, temperature. Well, number 7 is Speccy software is for you if you are searching for a Windows 10 tool to discover that's inside your PC. Then you need to give Speccy a try. It's basically a system management tool that also checks for software updates. Apart from that, the advanced section of Speccy also shows the real-time CPU temperature. The software works on both 32-bit and 64-bit computer, and it's one of the best CPU monitoring tools available out there. If we number 6, SpeedFan software. SpeedFan is another most used CPU temperature tool for Windows 10 that shows a wide range of information about your system resources. For instance, the tool shows the fan speed, voltage, processor temperature, GPU temperature, etc. Apart from that, SpeedFan also got the ability to access the smart information to check the hard disk temperature. Number 4 is HW Monitor software. HW Monitor is one of the best and advanced CPU monitoring tools available out there, which shows the current temperature of the motherboard, graphics card, CPU and hard drive. Not only that, but it also displays the CPU loads in real time as well. However, the tool is a little bit advanced and the reports are quite complicated to understand. So if you have any technical knowledge regarding how the code works, then HW Monitor might be the best pick for you. Number 3 is Core Temp. Well, if you are searching for an easy to use and lightweight Windows 10 software to check the CPU temperature, then you need to give Core Temp a try. Guess what? The mini tools run in your system tray and continuously monitor the temperature of your CPU. It shows the real-time reports of the CPU temperature right on the system tray. However, compared to all other tools, Core Temp is limited to the only processors. Number 2 is CPU thermometer. Well, CPU thermometer is another best CPU monitoring tool on the list, which works with AMD and Intel processors. The great thing about the CPU thermometer is that it shows the CPU cores and their temperature. Not only that, but the CPU thermometer also shows the CPU load capacity for each core as well. So CPU thermometer is definitely the best CPU monitoring tool that you can use right now. Number 10. Number 1. Open Hardware Monitor. Open Hardware Monitor is one of the best and top rated Windows 10 software to check the temperature and various other aspects related to the CPU. The software has a very clean interface and it's incredibly lightweight. With Open Hardware Monitor, you can monitor voltage, fan speeds and the clock speeds as well. Apart from that, it tells a lot about your motherboard and graphics card until also. So these are the 10 best CPU monitors tools in 2020. Then you can use right now. If you know any other such software, let us know in the comment box below. Thank you.